It's Denina and
Demi.
We're coming to you with another seafood mukbang.
Day 7?
No, we haven't really been videotaping every day, so we may not want to do day 7. But
well, it's day 7.
This is our day 7.
Our last day of pescatarian.
I'm actually going to continue. I'm doing the 30-day challenge, but today's her last day.
Eating chicken tomorrow. I'm eating steak tomorrow. Not that mean.
She ain't bacon tomorrow. So we came to you in a different spot. We had the fire going because we had a snowstorm here in Colorado, but it literally just died about maybe 10 minutes ago. But we already had everything set up, so we was like, oh, forget it. So that was the reason why we're sitting here. We just wanted to do a different scenery of our house. So this is what goes up to our loft, the steps.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's the TV and the fireplace. So today we have
Anchovies.
What is it called? Oh, just really.
Anchovies.
Fried crawfish. And we did Arbys French fries, and we have some crab cakes.
Yes.
So, and crawfish. So, we're just gonna dig right in. Oh, tell them what we got to drink.
So I'm dead.
I'm so done. The ketchup just splattered everywhere. Oh my goodness, it's been sitting upside down for like a minute.
So anyway.
Ooh, good thing we're right by the kitchen. Let me rinse my hand off.
I made actually some lemonade. And I don't know how it turned out. I think it's a little tart, but it's my first time, so hey.
I mean, we put a lot of sugar in it, so.
And it's still tart. I don't know what happened.
It's still pretty tart. Okay. Sorry, guys. I got ketchup everywhere.
Oh, let's get my.
All right. I'm back. Woo, that was like crazy. And then we have, I like mayonnaise for dipping sauce. And we have hot sauce from Louisiana. We don't have tartar sauce. She doesn't like tartar sauce. I really don't buy tartar sauce. Because it'll go bad if it's just for me. So, anyway. Yeah, so we got lemonade. Thanks to Demi. And let's just dig right in. I'm hungry.
So, I'm going to get a couple of these.
Why is everything like turning up on me, guys?
I'm dead.
The mayonnaise. What is happening?
Are you doing this on purpose?
No, I'm not.
Is this for clickbait?
I'm done. No, I'm not. I'm actually trying to eat. I'm just going to throw that in the sink. That's just a mess. This is crazy.
I'm just going to go with my hands.
I don't know. Maybe it's the heat from the fireplace. I don't know. Let me turn this stuff upside the right way.
Okay.
I was going to make some aioli sauce, but the stupid Google Home wasn't working. And then when the final year started working,
The food was done.
I realized it was going to be a long process.
Yeah.
Crawfish. Yeah, use that new one.
Because obviously she's having some difficulties.
Oh my god, guys. So I showed you those crawfish on our haul. So that's the crawfish we're using.
Here you go. Where's the camera? Okay. Looks super good.
Look at Demi out in the camera. I'm falling back for her tonight. It's her night. Oh, sweetie, I don't know. Is it too close?
Yeah.
Maybe get up. Sorry. Had some technical difficulties. Had to move some things around.
Super good.
I like this mayonnaise. Oh my gosh. Did it just pop over there? Like, what? It's on my shoulder.
I'm dead.
I am having
Moments.
moments. And this why I need to be at my kitchen table. They done got me out of my, she done got me out of my element for a fire that ain't even lit no more.
But still, always nice to try something.
Yeah. New environment. New scenery. It's so good. And we did Arbys frozen season fries. I love the Checkers Rally's fries. But she's sick of it. We like, let's change it up.
Yeah, we always eat those.
You're still kind of close to the thing.
I know.
Yeah. I don't know. She on y'all like, hello, Clarice. Like from what's that?
Face Off.
It ain't no Face Off.
Oh, I don't know.
Man, I would say that. Hello, Clarice. What is that from? Oh my goodness, that scary movie. Oh, I'm gonna be mad as soon as this video. I'm like, woo woo woo.
Comment down below if you know what movie she's talking about. Cause
Silence of the Lambs. Whoa.
That one.
He was like, hello, Clarice. Outside, did me in the camera. Hello, Clarice.
Okay.
We're just being silly, y'all. We're having fun. We had a great day.
My cookies.
Yeah, her cookies / cupcakes.
Cause yeah, we made cookies, but they kind of stuck to the pan, so we got those. We got rid of those, and then
Well, we ate them.
yeah, we ate them. But then like the little parts that we couldn't eat or get off,
Well, it was stuck to the pan.
got rid of those. And now there's cupcakes currently in the oven.
Cause we only baked like half of the last one. We made 6 cookies.
This
And
cupcake's
then-
really good.
Now we got 7 cupcakes.
No, yeah, 7.
You know, when we had them. So, this crawfish is good, y'all. Jimmy swears she never had it. I'm like, you had crawfish at Papa Do's.
I don't recall.
It was so good. Sorry if there's any noise in the background, guys. We got the dryer going. You know, it's Sunday. We got the dishwasher going. So, we've had a great chill day. It snowed. And, oh my God, we got like,
2 inches.
I'm trying to, I'm moving. She's such a baby. She's like, I'm 10.
And well,
No, it was like, they said we're supposed to get like, I think 7 inches here in the city.
really? I thought that was in the mountains.
That's local. That's in the metro area. I watched the news this morning. I was on the 9 o'clock news. Oh, excuse me. Anyway, it snowed. It was pretty heavy out there. People out there driving. I'm like, ooh, Charlotte. So, trying to get everything done. Got all outfits and stuff figured out for tomorrow. Just got to iron them. Because we got to leave early because that's going to turn into black ice tonight. So, yeah.
Like the other day. It was scary.
Yeah, my
Everybody
dad.
was slipping, sliding.
Yeah, MLK Day, it was like,
Yeah.
we had a night of black ice because she didn't have school. I take her to grandma's. It was scary, but it's about to be really scary tomorrow. I looked out there because our house was, when my bedroom window looks off, not looks off, but we could see the main road, like one of the busy streets. And it was looking like I could see the ground. It wasn't snowpack. So the plows went out there working. Oh, dang. So, I like my little mayonnaise and ketchup. Come on, baby, stop doing it. Little video. I may have cooked too many fries. You like the crab cake? I like these little Sam's Club crab cakes. I wanted to make a garlic aioli for it, but like I said, it's a little process, but I'll remember that next time. I still got something left. You gotta let it sit in the fridge for like 30 minutes. And then I'm like, I'm hungry. No fridge time here. So, we should do a thumbnail. We should do a thumbnail. It's crawfish, it's so tiny.
Crabfish. Not the crawfish. Not the crabfish.
Okay. Mine is kind of broken up. That's why I gave you the good one. I gave myself the bad one.
Oh, thanks.
Alright, that's it.
Do we take a picture?
I'm just gonna the thumbnail where you pause for a sec. Smile. Okay, that should be good. I wish you would do that in the beginning.
Yeah.
So I hope you guys are having a good day. You mean you ain't talking no more? She was all excited. We want to check your cupcakes.
Ooh, wait.
I'll try not. I can't see the time. What time is it on the microwave?
5:49.
Yeah, I think it's been there like 20 minutes.
Uh-oh.
I think I put it in at 20.
We'll be back. Okay, we're back. Had to check on my cupcakes.
Are you almost done?
Yep. Couple more minutes.
It's good, guys. I'm glad I made it. I made those enchiladas, they were good too. We had those for dinner and lunch today. That was a bomb. I put the black beans. I made like enchilada casserole, just 2 layers, but what no, 3 layers. What was it? 4 layers.
What was 3?
What was it? So tortilla, black beans, cheese, tortilla, black bean, cheese, and then tortilla, green chili. It was really good. We had that for lunch, and I had the fresh avocados going. Y'all see, we're using our Dollar Tree mason jars with our lemonade. Cheers, boo. Cheers to the end of the weekend.
That's sad.
I know we had such a good weekend. Yesterday was so amazing.
Fun.
We had a good positive day, and so was today. I slept in. I woke up. I'm an early bird. I think I went in her room messing with her like 5:45.
I know.
She was like, "What time is it?" I got her bed like, "Get up, we have to leave. We gotta go." She's like, "Why? Where we going?" I said, "Just get up. What time is it?" I was like, "What if it was an emergency? I'm not just drag her out the bed."
No, I mean, if it was an emergency, you'd be my friend.
I guess my voice would be different. We'll be all like,
"Come on, let's go." And I'd be like,
you know. So she was like, "What time is it?" Then she got up, y'all, and got a bag of them Takis.
and then I ate.
Them Takis in the hall and ate it. I was like, ain't no need for me to say nothing to him. Because
5 in the morning.
if it's going to happen, it's going to happen either this morning or this afternoon. Them Takis going to get smashed. I was just like, whatever. 6 in the morning, she eating Takis.
Well, that's not my fault if you get me up.
Okay, so I woke you up and your first craving was
Takis.
Takis. How about breakfast?
No, at 6 in the morning, nobody's making breakfast.
I had me a bowl of cereal.
No.
I sure did. And I don't know about y'all, but I like watching Columbo. Hallmark. Columbo comes on. I love Hallmark, y'all. I love them old shows. I love Heart to Heart. Whenever I can't sleep, I'll be so happy to wake up at like 1 or 2 in the morning because Heart to Heart's on Hallmark. Hey. And Matlock. I like those old shows. These reality shows. It's just too many reality shows nowadays.
But then there's YouTube.
She likes YouTube. Her and my son be on YouTube. I like watching mukbangs. That's why we started. I was like, we could do it, Jimmy. I love watching mukbangs, so I support tons of channels before I even thought about doing it. So, these crackers are so good. We just getting from Sam's. Y'all know the members. I think the members' choice brand. I'm gonna say it is 6, 8 or 6 in the box because I already threw away the box. I just threw away the box and put them in freezer bags, but I think it's 6 for like $12. Man, they're pretty big. She ate all hers.
Yeah, I didn't even think I would like it, but
She's had it before. This is like the 2nd or 3rd box, but she did.
Because the other ones that we bought. Oops, I'm sorry.
Those are the ones from Pink Supers.
Those were nasty.
They were not. They were not nasty.
They were.
It's okay. We just got the sweet when we get done.
Yeah.
Whew. We made too much. And I only did one bag of the crawfish, y'all. I'm glad because
Yeah, this is
when I got to
a lot.
putting the fish fry on them, I was like, ooh, should I do two? I'm so glad. And I did the crab cakes just as like a filler. So that we can make sure, everybody make sure they get full. But yeah, we still got a lot left. We had all the crab cakes, but this is crawfish and then I maybe made too many fries. So take the paper towel out of this little container.
And put some
I should have
foil.
did that before the video, but I'm covered with some foil. She's gonna be gone. So the mukbangs this week will be by myself. Jimmy's gonna be gone.
To California. My dream. No.
She'll be with her father. So she'll be back Friday.
But I'm happy to be with my father. Cause
I hope so. Oh,
I mean not
really?
like that. No.
Really? Wait for it. Why are you happy to go to your dad's?
First of all, I just get to see him and be nice.
Let's keep it a stack. What you was about to say first?
Oh wait.
She's so fake. She was about to say meat, bacon.
That was my second thing.
I'm so done with her. She's a non-meat eater hater. Wait, that don't even sound right. Non-meat eater hater.
Yes.
That's what she's about to say. Was the main thing was that she's about to eat some meat. They don't eat pork, so that's good. They don't eat pork, but she's about to have some chicken.
But turkey bacon's good.
Turkey bacon. I don't like turkey bacon. It's like give me the real bacon and don't give me no bacon at all. That's just my preference.
I
I'm
think
not trying to offend nobody, but I want mine 100. I need that porky bacon. If I'm gonna eat it, I'm gonna eat the 100. If I can't have the pork bacon, then if I'm done, I just ain't gonna eat no bacon.
I only like it like if the bacon's too burnt, I can't eat it. I mean,
I
can
love my
eat
bacon
it, but
super crunchy.
I don't like that.
I was like,
But I can't eat it too fatty either. That's gross.
I love like I prefer the fat versus the meat. Is that weird?
That's weird.
That's probably.
I like the soft meats though. It's easier for me to chew.
Whatever. So I'll be still holding on to pescatarian life. I still have a little bit of enchiladas left, so I'm gonna take that for lunch tomorrow. I did make my eggplant, so I'll probably make that tomorrow. Yeah. I've been cooking a lot. Like this pescatarian lifestyle. Ooh,
Yeah.
Excuse me. I mean, I guess whatever. I've been cooking a lot lately, and it's not that we eat out a lot. But, it's easier just to,
meat and
boil or fry up some hot links and some chips. Boom, that's dinner.
But now
So,
it's
yeah, it's like
actually
when you
processed.
don't eat meat, you got to kind of plan it a little bit. So, I've been trying to plan it. But, yeah, I definitely want to cut up that eggplant tomorrow after her parent-teacher conference. So, I do have to do that. And then come home, and I'm going to cut up that eggplant. And get it ready, and then I'll probably do a mukbang. I will be doing a mukbang on that. It's just be me, guys. So I'm gonna do eggplant parmesan
Good luck.
and garlic bread. Woo! Well, I'm full. Are you full?
Yes.
Did it hit that spot?
Now it's time.
So her little sweatshirt says hot cocoa, cozy fireplace, snow angels, and Caroline. So the first two apply because we got hot chocolate. We probably drink that before we go to bed, and then we had the fireplace going. So it's been a very relaxing Sunday. I hope you guys had a great, blessed Sunday, and I hope you guys are just relaxing because back to the weekday madness. So anyway, well, I hope you guys like our video. Comment below if there's any other foods or mukbangs you want to see. We're here, we loving these mukbangs, so we're just here trying to do them. Like I said, I'm happy we did different scenery. But yeah, we're just chilling.
Yep.
So like, comment, and subscribe down below, and also hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time we post. All right, have a great night, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.